Yeah, it's going to be a pretty nasty tomorrow.
Yeah.
I guess the good thing is that it really only lasts about 24 hours, maybe not even that.
And the nice thing too is while most of the folks are sleeping, so, or at least that's when you're giving me that look. So
Yeah, no, you're right.
So
you're
it's going
right.
to be a little
heaviest
bit
is
longer
for sure.
than that, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see this go through maybe 9, 10 o'clock here in the metro, and it's really going to die down around that time frame. Winds will stay stronger, but again, the falling snow will have stopped, and you look at where it's snowing right now. We've got areas to the northwest where we're seeing snow. Algona is going to eventually be picking up on snow, and they could see a couple to a few inches even before midnight. You look at the winds, 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And initially, this is going to be some wet, heavy snow, so especially that first hour or two of snow falling. If you do pick up a couple inches, and that coats some of those tree branches with winds in excess of 50 miles per hour, not the best situation. So as we head through 3 a.m., we've got 1.5 inches down in the metro already. Winds 45 to 50 miles per hour. You can see those visibilities have decreased as well, but we've got areas to the north again that could be in excess of 7 inches. Winds eventually die down by Wednesday night, but they're going to be strong for much of the day. And we've already seen some strong winds through northwestern Iowa, but right now mainly just seeing rain into the metro, and we've got heavier rain. Fort Dodge down through Carroll upwards towards Sac City. You can see where that area of transition is. Spencer down through Carroll, all the way down through Omaha. These are the same areas where we're seeing those partially covered roadways already. So it doesn't take too long as you see that snow push its way on in for those road temperatures to cool down and drive in those slick conditions. High wind warning again, winds 50 to 60 miles per hour. That is nearly the entire state. If you're highlighted in orange, that's you. And we look at your hour by hour here. No question that we're going to get the winds, 50-mile-per-hour winds right now in Sioux City. And as that transitionary zone continues to march eastward, that's where the strongest winds are. You can see 50 to 60-mile-per-hour winds making their way through Ames into the metro. And as we head beyond midnight through around 5 a.m., we're in the thick of the snow, the blowing snow, the dangerous conditions. But the later you get into the morning, the better conditions get, at least for falling snow. That should help visibility a little bit. We'll still see some snow blowing around on the ground, but at least with that snow not falling anymore, should see some relief, and winds do start to finally back down by 8 p.m. We're still hanging on to gusts of around 30 miles per hour, but that is really going to back down. Heading in towards Thursday into Friday, another system is going to push its way on in, and that'll bring in the potential for several more inches for your Friday morning commute. So something we'll have to keep an eye on as well. Additional rainfall could be 1/2 inch to 1 inch for many of us across the state. And as far as how much snowfall you can expect to see, there's an axis of heavy snow that's going to be from Algona all the way down towards nearly Atlantic. Wouldn't be surprised to see some pockets from Fort Dodge down to Atlantic, even in excess of 6 inches. So it doesn't matter exactly how much you pick up. It's going to be nearly impossible to measure with how strong the winds are. Just know, even if you get 1 inch or 2, roadways are going to be difficult to travel because of that blowing snow. And then we get that reinforcing shot on Friday, lose an hour of sleep Saturday night, and we're back in the 60s next week.